This egg cooker has the capacity to make 6 hard-boiled eggs at a time. It can also soft-boil eggs, poach 2 eggs, and scramble eggs and make omelets. The unit comes with a large clear dome lid so you can watch the eggs as they cook. Because this unit cooks with water, there is a small hole on top of the cover to release the steam. Also included are a few other accessories. There is a poaching tray that can poach 2 eggs at a time. There is also another tray to make larger poached eggs or omelet. This is a boiling tray that can hard boil or soft boil up to 6 eggs at a time. And below is the water reservoir where you would fill it with water to facilitate the cooking process. And they also give you a small plastic measuring cup with guidelines on the cup to ensure you use the exact amount of water to cook any style of eggs. Here I'm pouring in an egg mixture into the poaching tray to make a Mexican poached omelet. In the front center area of the main unit, there is a power light which illuminates when the eggs are cooking. When ready, it automatically plays a cute little tune to let you know your eggs are ready. It came out perfect and is so fluffy with no oil nor butter required. To serve the omelet, let the tray cool or use a pair of oven mitts to remove the tray from the unit and then turn it upside down.